what's up everybody? It's your girl Varquidia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY Christmas wreath. I made my own last year. My friend hosted a Christmas wreath decorating party and I thought first of all that the idea was so different. I've never seen anybody else do that before. But yeah, we all decorated our own Christmas wreath, and this year I was like, you know what, I'm gonna decorate my own again because y'all, Christmas wreaths can get really expensive, especially the really nice ones. They tend to be like $50, $60, $70 for the really nice ones. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make my own again, and it's gonna be like under $20, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna need is definitely a wreath. I got this one from Hobby Lobby. They had their Christmas sale, 60% off of everything. So this wreath was only $12.99 with a 60% off, so it was like under $5. And then the things that I'm going to be using to decorate the tree is just things that I had from like last year, from the ornaments that I bought this year, and then a few things that I got from the dollar store, as well as a hot glue gun. And that's pretty much all you're going to need to create this wreath. So I'm pretty sure you can go, if you don't have any of the materials, you can go to Hobby Lobby and buy the wreath, and you can buy the stuff like ornaments and little decorations to do it from the dollar store, and you can literally make it under $20, and it's much more fun because you made it yourself. So let's just jump right into the video. Of course, I'm starting off with my wreath like I mentioned, but I also have these flowers that I got from the dollar store. I have these that I had gotten years ago, and I was like, let me see if they'll go. I bought these little signs from the dollar store as well. These, just in case I need them to wrap any of the ornaments around. And then I got the green ornaments that I used this year, the black ones, gold and white, that I had from last year. And I have some ribbon, a hot glue gun, and other ornaments that I'm not sure if I'm going to use, but I just had everything here that I could potentially be using. So the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of fluff my wreath just so that it can look fuller. And you can do this by putting the tree branches to different directions. Now that I fluffed the tree, I'm going to be getting my ornaments and kind of placing them where I want, so I can kind of get an idea of how I want the wreath to be before hot gluing anything down. So this is the point where you're just going to be playing and decorate with the decorations and placing them in different places to see what it is that you like. So this is what I have so far, and I like it because I like that it's pretty filled but not overwhelming. So I like that the ornaments are on there. Those are the colors that I used this year. And then it has a few ornaments with words believe in peace and the big flower. So I like how this is going, so I'm going to hot glue everything together now. I took all of the ornaments off, and I'm going to use these pipe cleaners that I showed you guys earlier. I have a black one. I'm going to use this to hold the ornaments together. So I'm doing the black ornament, the green ornament, and just sticking them right in through the pipe cleaner. And then I'm going to tie it around the wreath. And then I'm going to do the same with the other ornaments. done making my wreath. It literally took me like 30 minutes, so let me show you guys the finished product. So this is how it looks. Am I holding it right? Okay, so this is how it goes, and I really like it. I think it was super easy to do, and it looks really nice and very affordable if you ask me. I literally used stuff that I already had, with a few exceptions of a few things that I bought. But yeah, you can literally use ornaments that you already have at home, and yeah, you can add as much or as little as you like. I added a lot just because I thought it looked a little bit better when it was all full. And yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go put this on my door, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks.